I want to show you today the worst case scenario for Bitcoin bratans, and I will go also to our day trades, what we can do here right now, because Bitcoin is cooling up right now. But let's start right now with the worst case scenario. And in order to understand, we have to zoom out on the weekly. And what we see here on the weekly, we see pretty similar what we saw on the daily. We are formed here a double top, right, which is very bearish, obviously. And if this double top working out, then the technical price target would be for Bitcoin. We measure also here from the top to the bottom. And if we are watching here and moving it here to our breakdown, if we break 60,280, wait a minute. So if you're breaking here 60,280, then we would go to around $8,000, and this is quite possible, bratans, because if we are watching here, I draw for you this this support resistance line. You see, based on the past in 2016, it was a big resistance line. You see here. And it turned since 2017 in a big support line. Support. You see here also support. And it will turn into big support line also here. So Bitcoin could go as low as $8,000 or $7,000 easily if we see more FUD coming in regarding Binance, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and if we see some more bankruptcies like Silvergate or FTX or some other crypto or banks, right? Crypto projects or banks. So this is quite possible. And now let's zoom in. By the way, bratans, even if this happened, then we will see Ethereum going to $200. I'm really hoping that we are going to this level, because then we can buy very cheap Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all these other altcoins which we are speaking here and in the Telegram group about. And right now, let us go and watch what is happening here with Bitcoin, because we see, like I told you, a cool up, right? Because it's quite obvious, because we see here right now Bitcoin is very oversold on the daily and also on the 4-hourly. So this is right now not a big surprise. I told you also here that we will see, and we can go as high as here. You see here perfectly the 20 moving average, the red line is perfectly matching with the weekly support, which was support turned to resistance in 21K. So we could see here in the weekend, if we see here pump today and Friday evening, we could see here a pump throughout the weekend to 21K to liquidate all the shorts. So this could be a possible long opportunity. However, please do your own research. It's not a financial advice. If you are jumping here into a long, I would make sure here to set stop loss. So if we are watching here to jump into a long, I would take profits below 21,000 and set stop loss slightly below the previous low, let's say at 19,000, below 9,400. So this would be risk reward at 1.97 or 2. In my opinion, this is amazing, but be very careful, because we are right now switched into a downtrend. So be very careful. As long as we're not breaking here the weekly and daily support, I remain right now bearish. In case we are breaking weekly and daily support, I switch into a bull mode. And as I told you here, I expecting here that Bitcoin will go down to the level of, wait a minute, I have to zoom out again. We see here our one second. We see here our double top, which worked out, unfortunately. So I expecting here that we will see Bitcoin to go to a level of around. I have a little bit wrong measured. Wait a second. This is too low. But at least, wait a minute. Okay, I have to. Okay. Yes. Now it's right, at least 18,400. So I prepare longs at 18,400 and at 17,200. This is our monthly support. So beware of it. I expecting here that we could see on the weekend a pump to liquidate all the shorts to 21K, and then we could see a dump to 18,400 next week, and then even to 17,200. Also, the monthly support is perfectly matching here with the VPVR. Wait a minute, I have to turn around. VPVR, you see here, if we are zooming out here, you see the big volume is coming in here at at around this level of 17,000, 17,200. You see here, right? So therefore, you see here a big support. In between, we have here some support coming in at 18,200, and then we could see obviously the big support coming at 17,100, 200 at this monthly support. So beware of it. There are two options. If you are right now in a short, make sure that your stop loss is above weekly resistance, or even the daily resistance, so above 21,700 or 21,100, depends how much risk you want to take. Or for our hourly traders, it potential long to 21k, right? I watching right now to jump into long at 18,500. This is one, and another 17,200, 300, but I will make sure that my stop loss is way below 16,200, right? This is what I'm watching right now. In my opinion, this is very clear, bratans. Obviously, Bitcoin, Ethereum could drop down even to $600. This is what I explained in the morning video. If you want to watch it, watch here on the channel. And if you want to see when I'm jumping into a long or in a short, you can watch it in the Telegram channel. Bratans, here you get all the information. It's not open. Okay. Next time, how to join the Telegram channel. It's very easy, bratans. Absolutely for free. Make a registration on Bybit, 10 seconds. Deposit $500 on your Bybit account, another 10 seconds, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. And on the Discord channel, you have a free crypto trading course, where you can learn about trading, about crypto, absolutely for free, bratans. You can check it out. Link down below. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and see you later. Mwah.